Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to link tasks with components and component slots. First, let's look at how to manually link a task directly to a component. Navigate to the Components tab, click on the desired component, scroll down, and select the Tasks tab. Click the Link Tasks button. From the list, select all the tasks you wish to link with this component. To remove a task, simply hover over the Actions button on the right and select Unlink. You can also edit the task details directly from here if you press Edit. Now, let's look at a more advanced method. Component slots. To create one, navigate to the Component Slots tab, press plus slot, and select Add New. Enter a name for the slot. Just like with standard components, you can create a hierarchy for your slots here. Once finished, click Save. Next, we need to fill the slot. Hover over the Actions button and select Link Component. Choose the component you want to assign to this slot. Keep in mind that slots are single component positions. You can only assign one specific component to a slot at a time. Alternatively, you can link a component from a components table. Find the specific component you want to link, hover over the Actions button, and press Edit. In the editing window, locate the slot field, select your slot, and make sure you save your changes. There are two ways to add tasks to a slot. The first method is done right here in the Slots tab. Hover over the Actions button and select Link Tasks, then choose the tasks you want to associate. The second method is done from the Tasks tab. Find the specific task you want to link. Hover over the Actions button and press Edit. In the editing window, locate the Component Slot field. Select your slot and make sure you save your changes. You can now view these connections clearly. In the Tasks table, you will see columns for both linked components and slots. Similarly, the Components table displays all tasks and slots linked with each item, and the Component Slots table displays all components and tasks connected to the slots. It is important to understand the difference between these two methods. Component slots act as a permanent placeholder. If you replace a component within a slot, for example, swapping out an old starter for a new one, all the tasks linked to that slot will automatically apply to the new starter. You do not need to update the tasks individually. In contrast, manual linking ties a task to a specific component. If you replace that component, the old tasks will not be carried over to the new part. You would manually need to link tasks with a new component. Using slots creates a smoother workflow for parts that are frequently replaced. Thank you for watching.